Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy, and today I have the Young Nails Mystery Box large size to unveil for you. So let's open this up. Sorry for the angle, the box is tall, so I had to tilt my camera. So we got some containers. These are Young Nail containers. So if you mix glitter in with your acrylic powder, you can put them in these jars. I love the lids. They're a rose gold color. They're probably about a ½ ounce size, I would say. This box was $100 and it's to contain $500 worth of products. So next up are these ink dyes. So we got red, blue, and yellow. And you can mix these with your gel, your clear gel, to make custom colors. They come with a dropper. I've heard you can mix them with dip powders too, but I haven't done that. And we got a roll of 500 forms. These are the regular forms. I know they've come out with some new forms, but these are the regular ones. I use the regular ones, so I love them. And then some rose oil. I've been wanting to get this, so I was happy to see this in the box. So it also has a dropper. Next up is a large container of the Swipe, 32 fluid ounces. I use Swipe a lot, so that will definitely come in good use, as well as some nail liquid or monomer. It is the only monomer that I use. I use the acrylic powder from Young Nails as well as the monomer from Young Nails. So these are good to have. And nail files. So I believe this is a pack of 10, and I believe they're 150s. I don't really use these a lot. I use the Tammy Taylor stick and pills. Those are my favorite. I get the Tammy Taylors off of Amazon. And a nail brush. This is a liner brush. Take it out so you can see the bristles on it. It's very fine for very fine detailed work. It's probably like medium length, I would say. Super cool. And we got some slick pores. So the slick pores are colored acrylic. You can use them as a dip powder, or you can use them as a colored acrylic with the monomer. So we got a bunch of these. This one is pasta, and they are a ½ ounce. See if I can open it for you. And it's a solid red. And then we have Cosmic Peace, which is a glitter silver. Then we have another red. This one is Radar Warrior. It looks to be a little bit lighter of a red than the other one. And yep, it's not quite as dark, but it's a solid red. And then we have Baby Baby. Which is a very pale pink. And then we have some gels. This one is a purple. It's a glitter purple. And then we got some gel topper. And the very famous protein bond that my girls like to call the secret sauce. And another bottle of the gel. This one, oh, they do have names on them. So this one was way above average, and this one is Am I Right or Am I Right? And it's a maroon color. Perfect for fall and Christmas, and it's a solid color. These are the one-step gel polishes, so you don't have to put a base or a top coat on it. Basically, you can just do the polish and you're done. So this one is Heaven Help Me, and it is a white. These are a bit thick, and that is because they are the one-step gel polishes. And then finally, always a Bridesmaid, and this is kind of like a purple blue. It's very, very pretty. I don't have anything like this. I really like this color. I can't wait to use it. And another brush. This one is a gel brush. So the bottom is a cap. So when you're using it, you put a cap on the bottom. And storing it, you put the cap on the top. And I love for my brushes to have a cap. That way they don't get hardened. The bristles don't get hardened due to setting out in the light. The acrylic powders. So this is the newly released one. It is called Core White Sparkle. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. It is a white with some sparkle in it. That will look great with the cover blush. Speaking of the cover blush, I already have one. Here's another one. The two of these would look really good together as a French mani or an ombre mani. So let's open this one up so I can show you. My daughter loves this one. She always wants her nails done with this one. So it's a pretty nudish pink color with glitter in it. And then we got Pink Flamingo. And these are all 1.57 ounces, if I didn't already say. I do have a Pink Flamingo that I got last year. It is a little darker pink. I don't really use it all that often. And then finally we got Cover Bear. So Cover Bear, I believe, is also a new one, so I don't have that one. And we also got the gels. So these are the Synergy gels. They are all 15 grams. Wait a minute, there's another brush in there. I'd already seen reviews of this and I thought there were 3 brushes, and there's the 3rd brush. So this is also a liner brush, but it's an extremely fine detailed line brush. I don't have anything like this. I've been wanting to get one to do all these Christmas nails, so this is great. So here's everything that I got. I'm super happy with all of it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really does help out. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media. I have a contest right now going on Instagram. Links are below. Thank you, everyone.